There's a bee flying right in my face. We've entered the Camden Woods, where recent reports suggest a new species of bears have migrated into the region. Oh, look. It's a bear cub, and it's alone and vulnerable, searching for food. Oh, and now look, it's the papa bear. This confirms that the migration has begun. Are you ready to go see some more? Did you see the ritual act? Look, it's astonishing. There is a full pack. They have claimed this region as their own. Look how well they get along together. Oh, look, we capture a rare bear hug right here in the Camden Forest.
Wait, we're missing one.
Okay, funny faces. Okay, angry faces. Nice.